Films Ramayana the Epic is the upcoming animated film based on the original Ramayana. We witnessed the film's launch function recently. The film is being directed by Chetan Desai and has leading Bollywood personalities lending their rich voice to the mythological characters. At the event, actress Juhi Chawla, actor Manoj Vajpayee, Ashutosh Rana and Mukesh Rishi were present to launch Ramayana the Epic.
Thank you, Sharanji, Chetan Desai for choosing me to give the voice for Sita.
The epic film promises to bring to Indian screens global standards in animation. The director aims to introduce Ram, the blazingly inspirational character of Indian mythology, to the younger generation worldwide. The event was an extremely successful one and has set the ball rolling for the anticipation of this large animated venture which is soon to hit the screens. The national level talent hunt Saregama Challenge has discovered its ultimate talent in singer Onik. The teenage singer's album Khwaishein is his debut release. The album portrays the newfound talents of the artist along with his voice and flair. At the launch of Onik's album, hosts of the Saregama Challenge show came over to give their good wishes to the debutant star singer.
अनिक बहुत टैलेंटेड सिंगर है, लास्ट ईयर विनर।
हम लोगों की दुआएं अनिक के साथ है और मैं चाहता हूं कि अनिक बहुत आगे बढ़े।
Khwaishein, which means wishes, dreams or desires, is an apt name for Onik's debut album.
मैं एक चीज देखा हूँ कि सपोज कोई एल्बम निकाला है, उम्मीद बिल्कुल नहीं है, वही सुपर हिट है। वैसे उम्मीद नहीं रखता हूँ, बस भगवान के ऊपर छोड़ देता हूँ। मेरा जो काम था मैं किया, बाकी भगवान है फल देने वाले, बाकी कोई नहीं देते।
Onik is wishing for a good response to his album. And with his excellent voice and winning stardom, Onik is surely going to make that mark. At the Skywalks event, hip-hop lovers saw the blistering performance of none other than the Bollywood hip-hop star Ishq Bector. Ishq Bector, aka Daku Devi, has smashed up the tones of hip-hop with Hindi music in Indian cinema of lately. After his rocking songs in films like Maan Gaye Mughal Azam and Agni Aur Bagli, he has become the numero uno favorite amongst the Bollywood hip-hop gang.
पकड़े ही है, रुक 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 बख्शिश भी दिया और बोनस भी दिया और चाहिए तुझको क्या जल फुट 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 फुट।
Ishq performed at the Skywalks live that wooed the audiences to a screaming frenzy. Ishq Bector was accompanied by hip-hop artist Hardcore, who also performed with the star. Ishq Bector's good friend and actor Ashmit Patel also witnessed the live performance.
अगर कोई करेगा हिप-हॉप मेरे फिल्मों में तो इश्क करेगा।
With a hip-hop bang by Ishq Bector and groovy Indian beats to go with, the performance was indeed the most happening one and a show stealer. Director Arjun Bali's film Rubaru was promoted recently. At the film's promotion, actor Randeep Hooda and his Rubaru co-star Sahana Goswami were present. The film promoted itself in a different manner than the usual starry and glossy film promotions. Rubaru launched itself in collaboration with a social organization called Make-A-Wish Foundation for the ailing children.
Hi, this is Randeep Hooda and welcome to Make-A-Wish Foundation.
The film Rubaru has great music by Satya Dev Burman and depicts the journey of a couple very much in love. Both Randeep Hooda and actress Sahana Goswami from the Rock On fame play their parts well as a lead couple in the movie.
ये प्योर रोमांस जिसमें एक थ्रिलिंग एलिमेंट है, वो इसकी खासियत है।
At the press conference of The Last Layer, Amitabh Bachchan, director Ritu Parno Ghosh and actress Shefali were present. The Last Layer is a niche film that touches the nerves of a theatrical personality who is venturing into the world of cinema. Amitabh Bachchan plays the challenging role of the retired theatre artist. For the press conference, Amitabh Bachchan, Ritu Parno Ghosh and Shefali addressed the media with great fervour talking about the film. Basing on the script of a play, Ritu Parno Ghosh penned down the story of the last year and designed the character only for Amitabh Bachchan. The film is received positively by